Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to sell Pi Network coin. Firstly, go to the exchange website like OKX, sign up using your email or phone number, complete the KYC process and provide personal details, government issued ID, proof of address and face verification. Log into your Pi wallet and on the exchange, find your Pi deposit address. Navigate to the Wallet or Assets tab, select Deposit and choose Pi and copy the deposit address. Double check the address to ensure accuracy, then go back to your Pi wallet and send Pi to that address. Wait for network confirmation. Now navigate to the Pi USDT trading pair on exchange and choose Market Order and Limit Order. Enter the amount of Pi you want to sell, review order details, then click Sell or Confirm Order. After the sale, your balance will show in USDT. You can choose to withdraw, trade, or reinvest. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.